Hi guys, today we're going to be making a dress. I'm excited. So let me show you what I have. See this? This is so pretty. So pretty, my goodness, you guys. I bought this not fabric, but it's more of a sarong duke head wraps type of scarf type of thing, and I got it from Johannesburg CBD. I just saw the colors and I was like, I'm so in love. I really like this. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look so cute. Just look at this. What? This is gonna be such a cute dress. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to overlock some elastic at the back. This is the back and the inside. I'm going to overlock some elastic right here. I've already attached it with a pin. And then also here for, I think it's gonna look really cute. Overlock, I'm going to use these three colors because it's multicolored and I don't have enough black. So this is the front. We have overlocked there and elasticated. Overlocked and elasticated. This fragile is really soft, very fragile. So I'm really handling it with care and not making it move around. This is the back, and I'm going to attach the front and the back on the sides together. This fabric is like one of those that you can't unpick. If you make a mistake, you ruin the fabric. I hate that, but it's gorgeous and it's soft and I love it. I love the colors.